You will just create a free account, upload a video here, and then get paid in passive income. In today's video, I'll break down how you can start making money on Rumble by posting videos on the platform itself. I'll explain how it functions, why it functions the way it does, and show you how you can get started using it yourself. So you might know that you are able to make money by posting videos on YouTube, Facebook, and many other platforms. The same is true for Rumble. So the first thing I want you to do is head over to rumble.com right now. This is what the main page should look like. You'll be able to view a bunch of different videos, and sometimes you'll even be able to see how much a video has earned. So you can see here that this video has earned this much money. The way this works is you won't be uploading a video and then just get paid immediately for doing so. Your video must get views in order for you to make money. So I'm going to break down how the back end of this strategy works. So when it comes to YouTube, you can upload videos and then place ad breaks on the videos once you become monetized. So when you're monetized, you can upload videos, turn on the ads, and the more views you get, the more money you'll be able to make. That's essentially how you can make money on YouTube through ad revenue. But on Rumble, it functions a little differently. If you scroll down to the bottom, it'll show you the different payment options that you can choose to use on Rumble. So Rumble functions through profit sharing. You will give them the videos and content, and then their job is to make sure that the videos you give them will generate money. And there are several different ways that you can do that, whether it's through their own website, through YouTube, or through third-party networks. Since they utilize several different income streams, the videos you submit are a lot more likely to generate money, which means you will earn some of the profits yourself. They will get some of the profit, and you'll get some of the profit, like I mentioned previously, which is also known as profit sharing. So if you look right here, they will provide the different options that they have for you. There is the exclusive video management license, which means that Rumble will take care of the full distribution of the video across their network. This will include YouTube, Rumble's own website, and their third-party partners such as MSN, Yahoo, AOL, and others. That's essentially what I just stated previously. So what you are doing is you are giving your rights and access to Rumble for them to then monetize your video and make money so they can give you a piece of the profits. It states right here that it's through YouTube, their own website, and other third-party networks. So if we head over to YouTube and type in Rumble Viral and click search, we can see Rumble's YouTube channel. They will have all these videos that other people have created and have given the rights to Rumble to then use to post themselves to generate money for both themselves and the other people who created the videos. So they'll profit share all the money that's earned. You can see here that a lot of their videos get millions of views. So these videos are making a ton of money based on how many views they are getting. This is basically how this entire business model functions. You submit videos to Rumble for them to license and become the owner of so they can repost it on their platform, their YouTube channel, and their third-party networks to get a bunch of traffic for you to then split the profits with them. So now I want to show you how you can get started yourself. But before I do that, make sure you subscribe to this channel to watch more videos on how to make money online. So I'd like you to scroll to the bottom and select either Video Exchange or Video Hosting. These have different perks and elements. Video Exchange has 50% revenue share and no license fees, and Video Hosting has full transparency and industry-high CPMs. You can choose either one you prefer and just click either here or here to get started. When you click that, it will redirect you to this page where you can create a free account with Rumble by creating either a publisher or a business account. You'll just fill in some basic information here to create your account. But before you can begin to get your content monetized, you will have to be approved first. The approval process can take a while, but it won't take super long. So if you were to sign up right now, it's likely that you'll get approved in a matter of just a few days. And then you'll be able to begin monetizing all of your videos. So if we return back to this article here, it'll state that when you pick this option, you are giving Rumble the exclusive rights to represent your video and help promote it to as many broadcasters and websites as possible. This is the first option. You just give them the video and the video rights, and they make the money for you to both split. The second option is using the video management option, which excludes YouTube. This is the same as the exclusive video management license, except the videos do not get distributed on YouTube. You might not want to choose this option since a lot of these videos on Rumble's YouTube account are getting millions of views. And then we have the third option, which is the Rumble Player license. I also strongly encourage you to not choose this option as it also excludes YouTube and all third-party partners. It will only be monetized on Rumble, which will just be one income stream as opposed to three. So if you were to choose the option that has all three income streams, you are guaranteed to make more money. But for this to actually generate money for yourself, you have to have a video that will actually go viral and get a bunch of views. This is an extremely crucial step to this money-making process. So there are a few ways that you can do this. You can head over to YouTube and re-upload videos that are under the filter Creative Commons. So if I just search for whatever and then click on Filters and click Creative Commons right here, that means I can download any of these videos and reuse it anywhere I'd like. To download these videos, just copy the video URL and then go to this website called yt5s.io and paste the URL here, then click Start. That will then allow you to download the YouTube video for you to re-upload. However, I do recommend that you try and create your own content to submit on Rumble, as that is the most effective method. You will have full control over your content and you won't get in any copyright issues. That's personally my best recommendation, but that is easier said than done. You might not be able to create and film your own videos of yourself or others. If you look here on the Rumble Viral YouTube channel, you'll notice that some of the most viewed videos are of animals or pets. So if you have a pet or have a friend who owns a pet, I'd recommend trying filming that, as they tend to go viral pretty frequently. So that brings us to the end of today's video. If you'd like to watch another video on how to make money online, check out this video right here.